वियोवान एका स्थानिक नागरिकाक चर्चीन जमीन विकती दिल्ली. त्या नागरिकान ती जमीन बंगळूरच्या एका कंपनीक विकली. लोकांक विश्वासात न घेता चर्चीन ती जमीन विकलेली. तेच प्रमाण ती जमीन विकतना मुणकार कायद्याचे उल्लंघन केले. विकलेली जमीन सुपीक असून व्हड प्रमाणात खारफुटी आसा. गुंतवणूक प्रोत्साहन मंडळान बेकायदेशीररित्यान ह्या प्रकल्पाक मान्यताय दिल्या.
Bharat Mukti Morcha has taken note of reports in media that 5-star hotel project at Vashi Island in Mandovi River has been given nod for approval by Investment Promotion Board. Churchin Vikla to zago where we planted our fields. आमची शेतां आम्ही रोयल्या पळय तो जागो, that is 3,275 square meters of land. ती विकल्या महेंद्र गावणेकराक. And in return, Mahindra Gaunekar sold it to a corporate body called Ozone. I will not call him a roller because if Bishop Philip Neri Ferrao had to take the people of Vashi in confidence and told the people that he is going to sell this place, Zayate Vashikar what zago gyong soktale, where we were denied about it because those are all frauds. We have canon law frauds as well as tenancy frauds also. Under the Agricultural Tenancy Act, Bishop Philip Neri Ferrao is a big fraud. We find this decision imperial to the core as it violates basic norms of common sense of getting the grasp of situation on ground, namely ecological fragility as well as civil law and canon law frauds.
वांशी हांगाच्या जमिनीची मंडळान पळोवणी करूंक ना. मंडळाच्या एकाय सदस्यान ह्या सुवातेर भेट दिवन नैसर्गिक संपत्ती आणि खारफुटीचो अभ्यास न करता प्रकल्पाक मान्यताय दिल्या.
We find that style of working adopted in decision making by Investment Promotion Board is imperial in totality. Both in Zuari and Mandovi rivers, corporate are promoted to carry on activities enslavement of people and capture the land. This only indicates that the party has taken large corporate funds and hiding the same from people of Goa. Bharat Mukti Morcha calls for inclusion of political parties under the Right to Information Act. What BJP government intends doing is giving nods to land grab.
या विरोधात सरकार आणि चर्ची विरोधात आंदोलन करून जनजागृती करतले आणि ह्या प्रकल्पाक विरोध करतले अशें सिल्वेरिया हांणी मुखार सांगला.
Bharat Mukti Morcha terms it as imperialism promotion board and calls for its immediate dissolution before further crisis.